If you want to add instructions in SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're building a customer feedback survey, an internal form, or a research questionnaire, adding clear instructions can help respondents understand what to do and improve the quality of your responses. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Now, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Survey to start working on your questionnaire. After that, find the plus add icon above your first question. This is where you can insert additional content into your survey. Click the plus add icon, and from the options that appear, choose text. This will let you add a text block that can be used for instructions, directions, or helpful notes for your respondents. Now type in the instructions you want to include. You might want to explain how to answer the survey, give context for a question, or tell users to select only one response. You can also use this space to set expectations, provide examples, or add any important details that make the survey easier to complete. Take a moment to review the wording and make sure it is clear, concise, and helpful. Good instructions can reduce confusion and make your survey feel much more professional. Once your instructions are entered, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your instructions are now added to your SurveyMonkey survey. You can continue editing the rest of your questions or preview the survey to make sure everything looks right before you send it out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.